Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of delightful flavors with a product that's an absolute essential for any autumn baking adventure. Get ready to elevate your recipes with the best pumpkin spice flavoring available, McCormick Pumpkin Pie Spice. Now, if you're like me and you crave that cozy, spiced goodness as soon as the leaves start to change, then you're going to love what McCormick has to offer. This iconic blend has been a staple in kitchens since 1934, and let me tell you, there's nothing quite like it. Crafted with a perfect balance of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice, McCormick Pumpkin Pie Spice brings a warm, complex sweetness to your favorite recipes. Whether you're whipping up a batch of pumpkin pie, indulging in a spiced latte, or adding a twist to your morning oatmeal, this blend has you covered. But what sets McCormick apart? Well, for starters, it's all about the quality. McCormick is obsessed with flavor, sourcing the finest ingredients to ensure that every sprinkle of spice delivers that unmistakable homemade taste. Plus, when you choose McCormick, you're not just getting incredible flavor, you're also supporting a company dedicated to making a positive impact. From promoting health and well-being to building vibrant communities, McCormick goes above and beyond. Let's talk versatility. McCormick Pumpkin Pie Spice isn't just for pies. Oh no, it's a game-changer in the kitchen. From sweet treats like cookies and cakes to savory dishes like roasted veggies, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks. If you want to elevate your autumn baking game and infuse every dish with that cozy, spiced flavor we all love, look no further than McCormick Pumpkin Pie Spice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy baking!